How can I create sender profiles that my colleagues can use in LISTSERV Maestro? You can use any valid email address as the sender address for your mail jobs in LISTSERV Maestro. In larger organizations with many departments, this usually means that different types of newsletters and mailings will have different sender addresses. This is where sender profiles come in. Sender profiles allow you to store predefined sender details that your team members can select from when creating their mail jobs. To create a sender profile, open the main menu and click on Sender Profiles under New. First, enter the name for your profile, followed by the sender email address. Then enter the sender name and optionally a reply to address, followed by OK. Repeat the process to create as many sender profiles as you need for your organization. Now, when your team members work on their mail jobs, they can simply use the pull-down menu on the sender definition screen to select the appropriate sender for the job, without having to remember and to manually enter the correct name and email address for every type of mailing. Going through the simple steps of creating sender profiles beforehand will save you lots of time in the long run and make your operations run more smoothly. Thank you for watching.